My name is Dr. Tara Bagen, and I'm a primary care sports medicine physician at Florida Orthopaedic Institute, and I've been practicing for about 3 years now. Outside of work, I like to stay active. I enjoy running and working out, doing yoga. I also enjoy spending time with my fiance and our golden retriever. In my practice, I treat non-operative orthopedic conditions such as sports injuries and chronic conditions like osteoarthritis and tendinitis. One of the things that I like best about what I do is I'm able to get to know patients and get to know what they do in their daily lives, what they need to do for their jobs, and I enjoy getting them back to their normal active lifestyle. My patient care philosophy is that I really like to have the whole team approach to patient care. It's another great thing about working at Florida Orthopaedic Institute is that we have a lot of specialists and we can really do a well-rounded teamwork approach to a treatment plan for a patient. Florida Orthopaedic Institute is a great place to come as a patient and also as a primary care physician. It's a great place to work because we do have a lot of resources right under one roof. We are able to provide imaging for patients. We can provide medical equipment, physical therapy, all under one roof. Plus we have specialists that we can consult with at any time, and it really helps with that teamwork approach. I feel very privileged and very excited to be a part of Florida Orthopaedic Institute, and we're trying to keep everyone active. That's one of our goals, and it's really a passion of mine to keep my patients active as well.